Hello everyone, I am Vishwanath. I am from Belagavi, Karnataka. I have completed my graduation in the year 2025 from Gogte College of Commerce as a BCA student. So during my journey with Evision, I have learnt various in-demand technologies that are booming the market currently, like cloud technologies. Along with it, I have learnt various technologies like virtualization, ITIL, cyber security basics, Windows administration, Linux administration, etc. So here, along with the practical knowledge, I have gained a lot of practical knowledge with theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience. So this has really boosted my confidence, and I am along with it. We used to conduct regular interview sessions like mock interview, and live sessions were conducted in order to solve all the doubts and problems if we had any. So recently I got placed in a company called Precision Private Limited, which is in Bengaluru, as a desktop support engineer with a package of 3.12 lakhs per annum. So this was possible with the help of Evision, through all the guidance that I have got from Ganesh sir, Priya ma'am, and all other support staff and teachers who has been really helpful in shaping my career. And I very grateful to Evision and all the support I have gained from them and the knowledge I have learned through Evision. And that's all about me. Thank you.